Hi YouTube, I'm Andrew. I'm a flooring contractor in Southern California, specialized in wood floors. Today I'm making a video about how to maintain waterproof vinyl plank floors. It is basically how to clean it and how to keep it from getting damages. First thing to do in cleaning is to remove dust using a broom or vacuum. I find the dry sweeper and the microfiber mops also works pretty well. And gently mop it with the damp cloth. The cloth should be squeezed until there's no water dripping. I would recommend the microfiber cloth for both dry and damp. If you wear shoes in the house, you'll want to clean the floor with soap or vinegar and water from time to time. And rinse it off right away with the damp mop. It depends on the traffic it takes, but once in a month or two should do the job. The floor doesn't need any wax or any kind of surface coating. Just cleaning is good enough to keep it like new. No wood finish nor wood furniture cleaners with oil can be used. They will make the floor slippery and leave a residue. Now, how to protect it from damages? It is waterproof, but don't let any water sit on it too long. Some tap waters have more minerals in it, and it could leave a mineral deposit while drying, which could be very difficult to remove later. It is not scratch nor dent proof. It is resistant to the scratches, but it will get scratches, most likely from your furniture. So it is a good idea to place a felt pad under all your chairs. And felt pads, they do not last long, so please examine its condition and plan to change them every 2 to 6 months. Also, the felt pads make the furniture slide easier. So I would recommend the non-skid furniture pads for all other furnitures that are stationary, like sofas. Please don't push or pull the furniture. It all has to be lifted for moving, or you could place a furniture sliding pads under all legs and make sure there's no particles like sand or pebbles that could scratch the floor. And also keep a good eye on the sliding pads itself, as they can get stuck sometimes. Our floors can be sticky for some reason. We have found that computer chairs with the small wheels can delaminate the top layers if it has a lot of movements between the planks with the heavy weights on it. So place mats that are spikeless for those chairs. Also, place piano caster cups for all piano wheels or any other furniture that are quite heavy but has a thin legs. Please empty your refrigerator before pull it out. It could leave pressed marks when it's fully loaded. Or best you place a mat or extra boards to protect the floor. I think this pretty much covers cleaning and maintaining the vinyl floors. More flooring related videos like comparing the different kinds of floors and even some DIY simple repairs or step-by-step installations are coming in the future. So if that interests you, please consider subscribe to the channel. And also please use the comments for your any suggestions or questions. Looking forward to hearing from you and hope to see you soon. Have a good one. Bye.